day, when I was Dean of the Law School, I had a knock on my door and in came Karina McTeague. Now, she is one of our amazing alumni and she is the head of retail banking in the Financial Conduct Authority. And Karina said to me, I graduated in the early 1980s. There were equal numbers of men and women in my graduating class. I'm now here at the pinnacle of my career and there are very few women who are in my position. What are you going to do about it? So I said to Karina, in the law school we firmly believe in the values of diversity and equality, and we aim to instill those in our students through our education, and we expect that those students will put them into practice when they go out into the wider legal profession. So what are you going to do about it? And from that mutual challenge, the Leadership Foundation was born. From the early events, it was very clear that there was a need for a safe space in which women could actually share their stories. Much of the sort of gender equality work that was going on within legal firms was done in a space where there were men and women present, and women often felt inhibited in telling their stories. So it was important to provide that safe space. But the other thing that came through very strongly for me was, in listening to stories, was about the need for better leadership training right from day one, and also leadership training within the undergraduate curriculum as well. Leadership training should not start when people are halfway through their profession. It's something that starts from day one. I think the very existence of the foundation, I hope, will provoke people to start talking about the issue of gender discrimination and gender inequality across many walks in life, not just the legal profession. I think it's something that the Edinburgh Law School stands up for, equality and diversity, and I think that is extremely important, that message gets across. For me, the outcome of this in the future must be that gender discrimination ends and that there is gender equality within the profession.
At the Foundation, our mission is simple in that we aim to drive an inclusive and diverse legal profession in Scotland. We recognise that there are many voices within the gender equality conversation in the legal sphere in Scotland. We aim to create a non-exclusionary space for anyone who identifies as a woman at any stage of their career or education to add their voice to these critical debates. We believe both that it's vital that there's space for as many voices in this conversation as possible, and also that the Foundation is uniquely well placed to facilitate this conversation. This is for two reasons. First of all, our extensive alumni network. Our members and alumni work in the legal profession at all levels in many different roles and settings. Second is our role in educating future legal professionals. We are totally committed to equipping all of our students with leadership skills for the workplace, but also challenging them to think about inclusion, diversity and equality in their careers and in the workplace. Both of these underline that women in the law are not a homogenous group, and neither are our experiences of working in the law. And that's why we really hope that you will join us and add your voice to these critical debates. I'd urge you to have a look at our website. You can sign up there to our membership list. This means we can give you advance notice of our events, such as lectures or mentoring events. These tend to be really well attended, and I hope to see you there.